Hi guys, so today we are at Green Park, and Green Park in association with TMI Vloggers Meet. So let's vlog today. I want to show you how we go inside the Green Park. This is the gate and this is the way to Green Park. So let's go inside and check what's new inside there. See you there. So what's up guys, we are at Green Park and today we are having Vloggers Meet, which is in association with Green Park and TMI. So it's on October 2 days today. We are here and we are going to meet lots of vloggers from Nagaland like Aguka, Amakshu, Iba Jamir, a lot, which even I can't name. You will see them, okay, in my vlog. So guys, let's go and enjoy, come on! So hi guys, we are already inside the Green Park. And this is the picture house of the main Green Park, the heart of Green Park. And also, we are already here and we are waiting for our fellow friends who is not yet here. So let's wait for them. Hi. Hiding. Are you guys happy? How much? Very much. Alok jolly ba going na. Are you guys happy? last time you vlogged, so this time I'm vlogging.
Yeah, sure.
Please help me.
20 30 seconds. Can I allow it for them?
Yeah, you can go ahead, yeah.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Please subscribe.